Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nina. In this video, I will make a 7-color arch or the rainbow color arch. I'll start off with the coral, peach, yellow, and lilac. Twist a pair of balloons twice. All balloons are inflated at 7 inches. The next combinations are coral, peach, yellow, and green. Be sure that the colors are going to the same direction. The third combination is peach, yellow, green, and blue. We have 7 combinations in this type of arch. The fourth combination is yellow, green, blue, and pink. I used the new color from Jamar called Shell for the pink. The fifth combination is green, blue, pink, and lilac. The rainbow has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. But here I use the pastel colors because I want it to be more of a lighter shade. The sixth combination is blue, pink, lilac, and coral. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do by clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Hit like if you find this video helpful, and I will greatly appreciate it. The last combination is pink, lilac, coral, and peach. After the last combination, just repeat the first combination until you reach the end of the rainbow. For the bottom part, I used all white balloons of different sizes. I did the 2 core clusters. If you're not familiar with how I do my clusters, just click the link that I will leave in the description below. I use 2/16 to connect it to the stand. Then I use neck-to-neck technique to tie the clusters together. And if I find it difficult to use the neck, I just tie them with 2/16. Then the triplet with rubber bands. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one. Bye bye.